Say hey buddy, what's up? Here's our patient for today. So I already got the wheel off, got it jacked up, supported with jack stands, and placed. We got a shimmy and a shake. Got it on back. And we're gonna be replacing these rear struts. Hey, this is Matt with Fetch a Wrench. Today I've got a 2011 Toyota Corolla. It's got a shimmy and a shake while braking, so I'm gonna get those front rotors replaced. This is my business partner, Kona. Say hey buddy, what's up? Let's get to work. Here's my truck. Here's our patient for today. So I already got the wheel off, got it jacked up, supported with jack stands, and we'll get this rotor replaced. I already did the brake pads last spring, so those things are still in good shape. But yeah, we're gonna get this rotor replaced. We got a shimmy and a shake while braking. So that's what the issue is for today. We'll get that situated, get that all fixed up, and get it braking smooth again. This is why I carry a variety of bolts for jobs just like this. So I got a bolt started in this rotor. When I screw that bolt in, it's gonna drive that rotor right off the hub. There's another hole down there, so I'll start with that one, get it working, and it'll pop that rotor right off. Easy peasy. Pushed it right off. So that's exactly what those little holes are for, is to push that rotor off the hub. So it just kind of screws out over there, pushes against the hub, it pushes it right off. All right, got the new rotor on. We'll get the brake caliper back on, and this side will be all done. All right. This side is all done. Torque down, should be ready to roll. Get that wheel back on, and we'll move over to the other side. All right, next on my agenda is this 2009 Lexus RX350. We've got some rear struts to replace. All right, here's our victim today. Got it all jacked up right now, and we're gonna be replacing these rear struts. It's likely original. I'm not sure how many miles there are, but you can see the bump stop up there. It's torn. And it doesn't look like it's leaking, but it does look pretty rusty. But yeah, I don't see any obvious leaks, but we gotta take this sway bar end link off, these two big bolts here, and then there's three nuts on the interior. I got everything loose down here. Got those two big bolts out, the ABS line and the brake line, and then the sway bar end link. So now we just gotta go on the inside. Now that we're in the inside, this cover pops off. Like so. And then we've got nuts down there. You can see all three right there. So just gotta take those off. We'll get some tape on the socket so those nuts don't fall off. And then we'll get that strut out of there.